Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. This week's video is all about my daily routine. I recorded this video on Friday, so it's a little bit different from what I normally do on the weekdays, but I had exciting things happening that day, so I decided to record it. Good morning. It's currently 8:30 a.m. on Friday. I got to sleep in an hour today because I have an exam. So I tried to record this video yesterday, but I didn't like how it turned out. So we're trying again today, even though Fridays are a little bit different than what I usually do on the weekdays, but yeah, let's get into it. The first thing I do every morning, like everybody should, is make my bed and get my room all cleaned up. Then I go into the bathroom and brush my teeth. And then after brushing my teeth, I put all of my clothes on. It was going to be rainy on Friday, so I decided to wear a long sleeve shirt and my jeans and my Ricky Montgomery shirt. After the clothes for the day are on, I have to open the window because here in Germany, or maybe specifically where I'm staying, if you don't open the window, then mold grows in the room. So that's awesome. So for about 10 minutes twice a day, I open the window. Then after that, it's time to do my hair. So today I decided to do some cute little braids, and then I put them back into a little crown, and I thought it was very cute. I usually don't do this with my hair in the mornings on weekdays just because it takes a lot of time to do, but today, because I didn't have to be anywhere until 10, I had extra time to do something fun. After my hair was done, I put some bling on. A couple rings and a necklace is usually what I wear every day. And then after that, I had to take my Mucinex for the day because my nose was a little stuffy, so it doesn't taste very good. Then after I'm all ready, I go downstairs for some breakfast. Today I had some muesli and yogurt, and I also had a little multivitamin fizzy thing in my drink. Kind of tastes like fizzy orange juice. It's okay. I just thought it looked cool, so I recorded it. And during breakfast, I also did some last minute studying for my exam. So there are two exciting things that are happening today. The first one is I have my first big exam for the class I'm taking right now. The way that our classes are divided up here is that every 4 weeks we complete a 3-credit class. So the last full month I was doing one specific class, Intermediate German 1. This 4 weeks I'm doing Intermediate German 2, which are both 200 levels. Then I move up to Composition 1 and 2, which are 300 level classes. So a bit stressful. We show up on Mondays after having a bunch of homework to do over the weekend. Tuesdays we have a quiz and an essay due. Wednesdays we review for our exam. Thursdays we also review for the exam if we don't have anything going on that weekend, like this weekend. Then we take the exam either on Thursday or Friday, but this week is a Friday, so I got to sleep in, but I have an exam. And all of this stuff is what's on the exam, so that's awesome. I have to, we write a mini essay on the exam. There's a bunch of word banks. We have declination and differences between because and if when, and it's crazy. So I get a bit stressed sometimes, but that's okay. But anyway, the second exciting thing that is happening is my best friend ever, sweetest human being, Mayu, is coming to visit this weekend. So she's currently on the train on her way to Hamburg-Harburg. So I was just thinking about, I'm gonna look for a train to go and visit or meet her at the train station. And of course today they're doing strikes in Germany at the airports, which impacts everything else travel-wise. So I'm hoping that the local trains will still be running, but if not, we can always just take a bus or take a taxi. but that's expensive, so hopefully not. But yeah, I will keep filming this day, but I had a little bit of extra time to film this, so yeah. See you guys in the exam room. Before I left for my exam, I had to pack up my backpack with all my books and pencil, and then I had to put all my layers on because it was raining, so I just put my blue puffy coat on, and then I put my raincoat over that one. We take our exams in a lecture hall, and this time around I thought it would be funny to sit all the way at the top. After the exam, my friends and I decided to go to Zanda to eat at a Vietnamese restaurant for lunch. It was very good, and it's one of my favorite places to eat in Luneburg. After that, I rode my bike home in the pouring rain. Bike riding home in the rain and wind? Mistake. All of my clothes are soaking wet, so they are now hanging on the door and on the closet, on my desk, on my chair, on my pants. I wasn't expecting it to be that bad, but I was soaked. So yeah, but I changed my clothes. I just finished up all of my homework for the weekend, so that's good. And now I'm just waiting for Mayu to get here in 2 hours. So I have to catch the 4:30 bus to get to the train station on time because I'm not taking my bike in the rain again. So yeah, the next clips will probably be just of that journey. So see you in a bit. The bus ride was easy. I just take the same bus all the way down to the Bahnhof, and then I got there extra early, so I just had to wait around for a couple minutes. When Mayu's train got here, I was so excited, thus the zooming in very quickly all the time. After Mayu got here, I didn't really want to film too much, but we ended up making pasta with pesto for dinner, and we took a couple pictures, and then the last photo I have on my phone from that night is this photo. So do what you will with that. I thought it was kind of silly. And that was all the footage that I got from Friday. Usually for my bedtime routine, I will do homework first, then I will go and brush my teeth and put my pajamas on, and then I do Duolingo every night. I have a 160-day streak, so you already know I'm doing so good. And then after that, I'll go to bed because I have to be up the next morning super early. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For next week's video, which will actually be coming out on Friday because I'm technically a week behind, is going to be my favorite German words, whether that be German words that are silly, German words that have weird translations, or just German words I think are fun in general. That will all be in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you then.